All right. Hi, Jeff. You are looking at me through my robot again, and I appreciate very much your time in reviewing this video. So here's what's going on. I have the right eye is just looking at the straight stream. It's a pub sub setup, and it is no processing, no nothing. It's just straight eye data coming in. The other one that says FR frame is processing the left eye, and excuse me, I'm running face recognition on that. Now, here's what's going on. This is the face recognition setup. I have it set up for ImageZMQ. I have gotten rid of the REQ equals false, so it is assuming that it is true. And I have it somewhere down at the bottom here sending an acknowledgement. So we'll get to this one in a minute. This is the broadcast side of left, and again we have it set up so that it is not pub sub, and it is sending out everything that it's supposed to be. So that's the left side. This is the receiver without processing, again set up for REQ with an acknowledgement. And this is the right side receiver, which is set up for pub sub. So I'm going to close that down right now. Here's what happens when I run the face recognition version of this, and then I attempt to run the non-processing version of this, just looking at it. Every time I am getting this address already in use error. So when I am set up to run reply request, it seems to block all other programs from accessing the video stream. It says address already in use. Now, when I'm running pub sub,
and it is sending out everything that follows that help that's left side of the city.
When I'm running pub sub, I can have multiple scripts looking at the same video stream. But when I am running,
some of the codes that down right now.
Wow, she picked up all kinds of crap on that. When I'm running the reply request setup, it seems to block other scripts from being able to view it.
She picked up on them to crap on the path.
She has some interesting interpretations of my speech. So I am not certain right now what is going on. I am hoping that you can help me. There's my code again, right there.
The chism and spin interpretations of the speech.
This is the face recognition version of everything right here. Again, there's my image hub setup.
This is the face recognition version of everything for a year.
Reply going on there. And I am unable to run more than one script in reply request. But you'll notice that if I'm running reply request, the face recognition frame is pretty quick compared to what it was before. It's not backing up, but now it's blocking me from being able to run other scripts to see the video. I seem to be stuck between a rock and a hard place here, where if I'm running reply request, I can only look at the video with one script. Nothing else is allowed to view it. If I'm running pub sub, I can have multiple scripts viewing the stream, but if there's a slow sub running onto that, I wind up freezing my system because the frames back up on the subscriber side and
that if I'm wrong, by
renders
request,
it
the face recognition
inoperable.
frame is pretty quick compared to what was before. It's not backing off, but now it's blocking me from being able to run up the script to see the video at home.
There you go. So let me know what you need me to do next. I will do whatever kind of test or anything you need me to do. But right now, in a nutshell, it seems to be that PubSub allows multiple scripts to view the stream. Reply request blocks all other scripts from viewing the stream, but it runs faster. I need to be able to have it run at least this fast, and I need to be able to have it run so that multiple scripts can view the stream. The stream. I'm hoping you can figure out what it is that I'm trying to do here, and I'm hoping that you can help me make it happen. And I really appreciate your time, honest to God. Thanks very much. Bye.